Min Chow, 61 adults arrested in a sex sting operation in Montgomery County after they were allegedly thinking that they were going to meet a child. That is a lot of people. Those mugshots keep scrolling. The Montgomery County Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force taking part in this sting. They helped to arrest these accused predators. Officers went undercover online posing as minors. Investigators say that the suspects thought they were meeting a child in person. These people now charged with online solicitation of a minor. Meantime, in another sex